Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 4th May 2025. Title of Murli. Say, My Baba, from your heart and be a master of all imperishable treasures, and so become a carefree emperor. Baba said, This is the eternal fortune of the confluence age, which you have received from the Eternal Father. Do you have such a spiritual intoxication of this elevated fortune of yours? If you have not experienced this attainment in the confluence age, you will not be able to experience it in the future either. Whether it is the game of nature or Maya, you have to become a carefree emperor and witness this game. You should never be afraid. Whatever happens will be the best of the best. The more faith one has, the more carefree he will remain. Further, Baba said, Now every child has to be made such a master of self-sovereignty that he can transform the mind, intellect and sanskars whenever and wherever he wants. Do not say why, what, how after seeing anything in the drama, that is, do not put a question mark. Rather, become the master of the mind and put a full stop to waste in a second. Put a point and become a point. Only when you practice this repeatedly, you will be able to take full points in the coming final time, that is, you will pass with honors. Finally, Baba said, Become a godly messenger and give this godly message to your brothers and sisters. If you free everyone from sorrow and unrest, you will receive many blessings. By receiving these blessings, you will experience extrasensory pleasure and inner happiness. Blessing for today. May you have a right to the kingdom and experience the flying stage by having a balance of remembrance and service. Details are: when you have a balance of having remembrance and doing service, you will continue to experience the flying stage at every step. When you do service in every thought, you will become free from all waste. Let service become a part of your life, an organ. Just as every part of your body is necessary, in the same way, service is a special part of Brahman life. To have many chances of doing service, to have a place and company is also a sign of your fortune. Only those who take the golden chance for doing service claim a right to the kingdom. Slogan is, The form of the sustenance of God's love is an easy yogi life. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Adopt the personality of spiritual royalty and purity. Purity is the greatest decoration of you Brahmins. Complete purity is the greatest property, royalty and personality of your life. Imbibe it and be ever ready, and the elements will begin their work. Those who have the personality of purity become complete and perfect, royal souls, and are called goddesses of manners.